Hello, hello. Hope everyone is doing good on this fine Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday evening. I believe it's Wednesday anyway. I don't know. This week's been a blur. I have a little special haul today. Yeah, I have a Dokidoki Crate. Dokidoki Crate is from Japan Crate. I used to subscribe to Japan Crate, just regular Japan Crate. Like they have different crates, but Japan Crate themselves, their original crate is all Japanese food. So I subscribed to that for a while. That was pretty cool. I had gotten Dokidoki Crate a couple times. I got Inku Crate, which was all stationery. I subscribed to that for a while. I believe that was through Japan Crate as well. Anyway, so Japan Crate started to get pretty expensive, so I kind of canceled all of that. But I've been having a rough time lately. I'm just tired all the time, and I'm just like, I have an appointment to see my doctor because I don't know. I need medication adjusted or something. I don't know. I'm really tired all the time. It could have something to do with my jerk cat getting me out of bed every morning at like 6 a.m. to open the door for him because his little friend comes to see him and peeks at him through the door. Not even lying. My cat has a play date at 6 a.m. so I get to get up every morning to open the door. Yeah, so anyway, my darling husband was having a rough time, and he saw that Japan Crate was having a sale on Dokidoki Crate. They were half price, so he ordered me a Dokidoki Crate. So that came today, and it was an awesome surprise. So, yeah, I've already opened it and looked at it earlier today, but look how cute this is. So Dokidoki is, it's their Kawaii crate. Kawaii means cute in Japanese, and if I remember correctly, Dokidoki is it's like Japanese meaning for like heartbeat. It's the sound your heart makes, Dokidoki. So if I remember correctly, I believe I read that at one point. So the theme of this month's Dokidoki is, look how cute this little booklet is. Isn't that adorable? Love all the little illustrations. That's so cute. Slumber party. I thought that was really cute. So you get all kinds of little things. So I will start with the little compact mirror. This is really cute. It's more like, this is, instead of like kawaii, this is more like a traditional kind of Japanese-y kind of artwork looking, you know. And then it's got the little mirror. I'll try not to, you know, shine that in your face. And then we have, this is super cute. I'll be adding this to my little travel kit. We have like a little travel, it's almost like a little lunchbox in a way. But it's got all kinds of little compartments and pockets, and we use that as like our travel toiletries kit. So yeah, we have like all our little travel toothbrushes and stuff in there, but this is going to be my new travel toothbrush. Look at this. And then the little toothbrush. Look how tiny that is. It's like a toddler toothbrush. It's so cute. But I mean, for travel, that's all I need. I'm not sure about this toothpaste. In a way, it kind of smells, I don't know. It kind of smells kind of... It's Oriental toothpaste. Oh, there we go. It smells like it may be a little bit of like A535, or in the States, you guys don't have A535, do you? Like icy hot cream. It kind of smells a little bit like that. So I don't know. I don't know about that toothpaste. And then we have a little plushie. So this is a little Shiba in his little onesie. Isn't he cute? Look at him. He's so adorable. I love how like fluffy it is. It's like sheep wool, like fluffy kind of thing. And then this is his bagel. Look at his bagel. I have a friend who has a Shiba, and yeah, that's what she calls his little tail, because their tails are supposed to be like super tightly curled. So yeah, we call it his bagel. It's a little round tail. Anyway, this is huge, his bagel, proportionately to this dog. This is a pretty big bagel. But it is a nice little tightly wound bagel. It's funny too, because her Shiba Taro, he'll chase his bagel. He'll eat his bagel. He just grabs his tail and like runs in a circle. It's pretty funny when he gets all excited. And then this one is an animal pocket handkerchief. I left it out of the package because it wouldn't go back in nicely, but it's a little cloth, and I don't like microfiber because it feels gross on my skin. But this isn't too bad. It's not sticking to my fingers or anything like that, so that's good. So yeah, it's like a little handkerchief with a little secret pocket. I wasn't sure what I'd do with this. I thought, okay, maybe I can use it to clean my glasses, but it does not clean glasses well. It just kind of smears everything around. Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe I'll pack that in my travel kit too, just in case I go somewhere that doesn't have a washcloth. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure what I'll do with him, but he's awful stinking cute, isn't he? And then these are apparently, this is a video game. Mega Mix Project Diva. So yeah, it says a thing back here. It's like a Japan Crate with Sega. So yeah, they're like a promo of this game that's out. And I think by the sounds of it, it's like a karaoke game. So that's kind of cute. Little stickers. I like the little 8-bit one. That's really cute. And last but not least, I was excited about this. This is really cool. So, oh yeah, everything Dokidoki Crate is usually licensed, Japan Crate. So this is Real Akuma. He is a little bear. You've probably seen him, I'm sure, even if you're not a huge Kawaii fan. But yeah, so this is a Real Akuma bag. So it's like one of those little backpacks, which I'm not super keen on. I don't know, the straps are kind of like super small and stuff, but I love that it has actual handles too. So I'll be rolling this up and putting this in the little pocket of my purse where I keep my shopping bags. And yeah, I'll be using that. It's nice and like heavy too, it feels like. It's nice like heavy nylon. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. This was such a nice surprise. And I had like a rough night last night. I was up half the night and blah, blah, blah. And so then Rob wakes me up today when this arrived this morning. I was still passed out and he woke me up to give this to me. So it was a really great surprise. So yeah, that's a quick little haul. Little cutesy cute, some kawaii. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I mean, I guess this isn't really like my regular videos. Normally it's more crafty or stickers, but this was a one-off. Yeah, so hope you liked it. And take care and have a good rest of your week. Thanks for watching. Bye.